Millionaires don't choose motorhomes the way most people do. For them, it's never been about size, flash, or escaping routine. It's about control, about moving through the world without surrendering comfort, privacy, or presence. And this motorhome was built precisely for that mindset. Before you notice the design, before the lighting or the glass or the sculpted interior, you feel it in how it moves. Beneath its armored silhouette sits an advanced adaptive suspension system engineered to erase the road entirely. Uneven terrain, long highways, sudden elevation changes. None of it reaches the living space. The chassis adjusts in real time, keeping everything level, stable, and composed. It doesn't bounce. It doesn't float. It glides with intent, creating calm before you ever step inside. From the outside, the motorhome feels more like a moving structure than a vehicle. Dark, angular bodywork, deeply tinted glass, and restrained lighting give it a presence that's confident without being loud. It doesn't seek attention. It simply commands space. Every surface feels intentional, every line purposeful, as if the exterior shell was carved rather than assembled. This isn't leisure design. It's authority in motion. Step inside, and the philosophy becomes clear immediately. The interior isn't divided into rooms the way a house is. Instead, it unfolds as one continuous, integrated environment where everything feels attached, compact, and deliberate. The lounge sits at the heart of the motorhome, and it's instantly different from what most expect. There's no oversized furniture, no decorative excess. The seating is low, sculpted, and integrated directly into the structure, upholstered in deep neutral tones that absorb light and calm the space. The geometry is organic, flowing gently rather than relying on sharp angles. At the center, there is only one table. Compact, grounded, purpose-driven. A soft amber glow beneath it anchors the lounge visually, reinforcing that nothing here exists without reason. Large side windows allow the world in without sacrificing privacy, while the solid ceiling above, free from skylights, becomes a design feature of its own. Layered panels and recessed lighting give the ceiling rhythm and depth, turning it into a quiet architectural statement rather than an afterthought. As the lounge transitions into the bedroom, the change is subtle, guided by lighting and form rather than walls. The bedroom feels cocooned and calm. The bed sits low and centered, unmistakably real and inviting. This isn't a pod or a concept shape. It's a proper bed designed for rest. Layered gray bedding, soft cushions, and a textured throw add warmth without clutter, while the padded headboard anchors the space emotionally as much as visually. Above, the ceiling opens into a star form-inspired design, radiating outward from a central point above the bed. Soft amber lighting traces each curve, diffused and indirect, creating a sense of balance and symmetry. The walls follow the same organic language, flowing seamlessly into storage panels that disappear into the architecture. There's no excess here, only calm. The dressing area continues this flow naturally. It doesn't feel like a separate room, but a transition zone integrated into the structure. Curved wardrobes line the walls, their smoked glass panels revealing just enough to suggest order without exposing clutter. Clothes hang neatly inside, softly illuminated. A compact vanity is built into the wall, paired with a rounded mirror and subtle backlighting. Below it, a small upholstered stool slides out when needed and disappears when not. Everything feels intuitive, efficient, and quiet. The kitchen follows the same philosophy of compact precision. This isn't a show kitchen designed to impress visually. It's a functional galley designed to work. Curved, handle-less cabinetry blends into the wall in deep graphite tones. The matte black countertop is compact but practical, housing a built-in induction stove and integrated sink. Appliances are concealed. Storage is efficient. Everyday items, cups, a coffee machine, utensils, are placed with intention, making the space feel lived in rather than staged. A fold-out dining surface emerges seamlessly from the wall, paired with two compact stools that tuck away neatly when not in use. Nothing wastes space. Nothing interrupts flow. This is a kitchen built for movement and routine. The mini office sits quietly along one side of the motorhome, designed to feel focused without isolating you from the journey. A curved desk flows from the wall, accompanied by subtle storage and a compact ergonomic chair. Lighting is warm and directional, enough for work without turning the space into a corporate environment. A laptop, a notebook, a coffee mug. That's all it takes. Privacy becomes absolute in the bathroom. Fully enclosed behind a solid curved sliding door, it feels secure and self-contained. Inside, The design remains organic but functional. A sculpted vanity floats against the wall, paired with a compact concealed toilet and curved glass shower. The ceiling continues the soft star-form language, diffusing warm light evenly throughout. It's calm, intimate, and designed for daily use, not performance. Then there's the mini spa, not a decorative feature, but a real place to slow down. A compact soaking pool is built directly into the floor, deep enough for a full seated soak. An ergonomic seat is molded into the pool, with a low entry step and surrounding curved walls that create privacy. Soft amber lighting washes the space, while a gentle underwater glow brings the water to life. Here, the road disappears entirely. At the front, the cockpit completes the experience. The dashboard flows in smooth, organic curves, echoing the design language of the interior. Controls are minimal and intuitive. Seats are comfortable without aggression. The panoramic windshield opens the road ahead, yet the interior remains insulated from chaos. Driving feels calm, deliberate, and controlled, and then comes ownership. This motorhome isn't designed for mass production. It isn't priced for comparison. It exists for a very specific audience: millionaires and billionaires who value privacy, independence, and control over excess. Pricing reflects that reality. This isn't about owning a vehicle. It's about owning movement on your terms. The real question is simple. If you were handed the keys today, where would your private world travel first? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more extraordinary machines where luxury isn't loud, it's intentional.